I'm here at our garage and I saw something on display. The all-new Toyota Prado 2025, and also on display at the back is the FJ Cruiser. This is the FJ Cruiser Final Edition. So I decided to take a video. If you look at the Land Cruiser Prado, the LC250, the design is boxy design, no? Mostly square look. And if we look at the FJ Cruiser, it's also more boxy and many square corner. So one thing that I noticed is the back of the Land Cruiser Prado is the rear window. This rear window has a switch here and the window can open up. Okay, I try to borrow the key if I can. And for the FJ Cruiser also, okay, the back of the FJ Cruiser, this one, can also be opened using this key. I'll try to borrow the key. For this one, when you press this, you can open and you could put your things inside. Let's close this. Okay, make sure it's locked, and then when you press the switch here, it's power rear door. Okay, now let's go to the FJ Cruiser. Yun. Okay, so one more time. So open it. Okay. This has only 2-row seat, but you have wide space. And for this one, let's try to open it again. Ayun. Okay. One more time. So you have to, yun. And you can open it. So you could put your things also. So let's look at the front hood of the FJ Cruiser. Now let's look at the Prado. As for the front tire, it's a 265/60R20 and with a 6 lug nut front disc brake. Now I'm going to look at the rear. The same tire size, also disc brake. Now we will go to the FJ Cruiser. Tire size is what's the tire size here? Let's look closer. 265/70R17 front disc brake. And we will look at the back. It's also disc brake. So both have the same disc brake. By the way, this is the final edition. This is unit 373 of 1000. So if you notice, the spare tire for the FJ is here. at the back outside. And the spare tire for the Prado is here. This is the spare tire for the Prado. Okay. For the Prado, the Land Cruiser Prado, it's a 7-seater. And you can control the seat by pressing this. Okay. And also the other side. This is more classic. Everything resembles the original FJ40. Look here. Very classic and rear def lock. Here it's 4x4. And we'll look at the Land Cruiser Prado. For this one, everything looks modern. Everything looks modern. Okay? Everything looks modern. And more for the 4x4, it's here. 4x4, rear def lock. It has crawl control. So this has, they try to put the switches here to have some classic look, but also it is very modern also. Of course, all the control are here. Now let's look at the second row. For the second row, this is the leg room. And let's take a look at the FJ Cruiser. For the second row, okay, the space is narrow. So this is really a smaller car. But one thing nice with this smaller wheelbase is when you go off-road, you will prefer a shorter wheelbase vehicle. The seat is nice because this is the limited edition. Try to see the engine. And I will write down the specs of the engine. This is a 4-liter engine. B6 4-liter engine. Now, let's open the engine. That's one thing I don't understand with the Prado. Okay. There's no automatic lift. Unlike the FJ Cruiser, it has automatic lift. So, for this Prado, the engine is 2T24A-FPS. So, it's a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. But soon, there will be a hybrid edition of this Prado coming out. It's the iForce Max Hybrid. So this is the engine for the Land Cruiser Prado. Let's close it again. When you close, you leave this distance. And then just let it drop. Okay. Oh no. Nakahiya. I have my fingerprint. Have my fingerprint. So, and also the version of the Prado here in the Philippines, the grill is the one with logo and not the one with the Toyota writing. Unlike the Prado in US, the Philippines choose a grill that is more like uh, the older model. So for the FJ Cruiser, the grill is no logo but just the Toyota. And maybe since we're here already, let's try to look at some of the other model. That is the Land Cruiser Series 70. This is the Land Cruiser 90 series, which is also the Prado. And this is the FJ60. Okay, the 70 is over there. This is the Series 80. This is the Series 100. And this is the Series 200. And this is the Series 250. And there is one also, the FJ45, the original Land Cruiser. That's the inside. The door is locked, so we cannot open it. So this is the Land Cruiser. So I think that's all for now. This is just a quick comparison of the Land Cruiser Prado LC250 and the FJ Cruiser, since they are now parked side by side here at our garage. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.